What's up, everyone? So today we have an unboxing of Kooks headers for the 99 through, well, they say 99 through 13, so I'm guessing they're the same, but my truck is a 2002, so the 99 through 06 will all be the same as this. So it's probably going to be filmed in a couple different shots. I'll do the unboxing of the headers right now. I have the Y pipe coming, which doesn't really matter. You guys will see that in a next clip or so. So we're going to unbox this, and then later, after I get my engine in, which it'll already be in by the time this video goes up, we'll do the install. So I've heard really good things about Kooks. One of my coworkers has them on his pickup and recommended them. So I figured, why the heck not? Ooh, yeah. All right. These are the 1 7/8. As you can see, they come with a ball flange. I had the Texas Speed on. They are just a slip fit, which I can tell you makes them a pain to get off. Yeah, focus. Anyway, so that's one of them. Here is the other one. I like the finish, I gotta say. The other ones were stainless steel and they're really shiny at first, but they discolor. So I'm anxious to see how these last. Now these are not cheap headers by any means. However, this is something you can expect from buying a premium set of headers. You get their gasket set, a bolt set, and a small decal and instructions. So this is really cool. This is what separates a good company from all the other ones. Here we have the bolts. I'm guessing, let's see, ball and socket kit. So this is the bolt that will hold these together to the Y pipe. Comes with stage 8 header bolts. Look at that. And gaskets. Not sure if I'll use these or the factory ones, but it's cool that it comes with them. And of course, where all the power really comes from, stickers. Alright, so the headers are in. I apologize, I did not record installing them, but I found that it's easier to come from the bottom. My other headers, I tried going from the top and I had a hell of a time, so this time I tried going from underneath, which was a heck of a lot easier. The factory spark plug wires, at least from my year, 2002, clear and everything except for one. However, I'm going to get different ones anyway. But keep in mind, these are bigger headers actually than the 1 3/4. These are 1 7/8, and they fit better. There are absolutely no fitment issues. It doesn't touch the frame. The other side doesn't even come close to touching the drive shaft, which my 1 3/4 did. Got plenty of room in there. So right now, I don't have the Y pipe just yet. It's on its way. But I guess I'll do a startup open headers. Why not? Nobody should get mad. So I raced home because my wide pipe was delivered today. Hey. Hey, I could definitely use those. Cool. One of the pieces that hooks to the header. Oh, one piece. There we go. That's it. There's the other half. Cool, it comes with the studs already pressed in. That was my complaint with the Flowmaster one I have on there. There's just holes here, so you had to run bolts through, and it's a pain to, hold the nut and bolt, on both sides. This is pressed in, so I gotta worry about one side. Cool. So let's get it put in. Small problem. I do not have rear O2 sensors, and it didn't come with anything to block this off. So I'll see if I have a plug that'll fit. If not, I'm gonna have to run to the parts store and find something to fit. I don't want to buy O2 sensors just to stick it in there for dummies. That's kind of pointless. So wouldn't you know it, in my drawer of random stuff, I had 2 plugs that'll work. And if I remember correctly, they're from the Texas Speed and Performance headers that I bought, because they fit. So I lucked out there. I'm glad I kept them. So I gotta say, the fitment of this pipe is really good. I mean, as good as it's gonna get for dual 3-inch pipes, 3-inch off each header. Why they went to one single 3-inch, I don't know. It would be better if they went to at least a 3.5. But fitment's really good. I'm happy with it. My last one rubbed on the drive shaft with the front end, as you can see. This one clears fine, and I'm pretty pumped about this. Once I get it exactly where I want it, I'm gonna have it welded so there's no leak or nothing. But this has plenty of room to fit my deep pan, which my last one did not. So that's cool. So I'm sorry I didn't film any of the install of the Y pipe. I get excited and I get to working on it. I'm impatient, but it's in, and that little idle clip is pretty good. I would recommend listening to it with headphones or something that produces the low frequencies. You actually hear the rumble, because just like everybody says, the video doesn't do it justice. Still gotta get my cam out of this guy. I kept the stock cam. Actually, that's the box my cam came in. I kept the stock cam from the 6-liter. I'm gonna put it back in this before I put this into that 98 Chevy I told you guys about. And shout out to one of my subscribers to making me add to my endless wish list. I thought putting this engine in my truck I'd be good, but nope. Now I want to do a what is it? The Trailblazer SS or the NBSS intake swap, and get it ported and throttle body ported. Jesus Christ, it never ends, I tell you. But his Instagram, I'm sorry dude, I'm probably gonna butcher this. It's Chewy 454. I don't know, I'll put his name right here. He actually ports throttle bodies, so I'm gonna send him this one. This is the one that came on the 6-liter. The 5.3s and 6.0s, they're the same, but I'm gonna send him this one, have him port it, and then swap it out, obviously, and go from there. So if you want your throttle body ported, check them out. But yeah, that's that. And then once you port the intake manifold, I'll probably end up sending these out to actually get worked like I said I was going to originally, having Texas Speed do the, or turn them into PRC heads or whatnot. And as you probably saw just a second ago, this is the next mod for the truck. This is the center console I told you guys about. It's I mean, you guys probably know, but I'm gonna show you anyway. It's got the normal lid, which is pretty damn clean. The cloth doesn't exactly match, but I'm over it. It's got this hidden compartment under here, so you could hide all your weed in there. No, I'm just kidding. Adam Sandler reference. It's got a USB or a cigarette lighter. It's not a cigarette lighter, but the plug-in for accessories. I'll see if I can't wire that bad boy in. That'd be nice. Have power in there instead of phone or something in there to charge. So this weekend I will. Saying that it doesn't snow. We're supposed to get snow this weekend. So I was hoping my tuner would get back to me, before this weekend, so I can actually drive the damn thing, because I'm dying to drive it. But we'll see. But if it's nice this weekend, I'll put that guy in. Also, I told you guys I want to swap this into the 98, but I don't think I'm going to end up, hopping this thing up any. Like I said, I'm putting the stock cam back in it. Probably, do this delete like I told you for that engine. Get rid of these stupid crossover things so it doesn't leak into the NOx sensors. But I'll probably just fresh clean it up for one, put the stock cam in it, and put it in that truck. And my goal is for that truck, for everything to work just like it rolled out of the factory with this engine in it. So I'm gonna leave it the way it is. I'm not gonna put different heads on it or anything. When I do swap the intake on my truck, I'll put the ported throttle body on it, but I mean, that's pretty much it. So it'll be a nice stock truck with the new heartbeat, even though this engine isn't new, but this engine still has a lot of life left in it. I mean, it ran like a raped ape and is in my pickup. Pretty oily, but I mean, I guess that's good because it's not rusting at least. So try and figure out where the hell it's leaking from. Maybe it's coming through the intake, I don't know. Clean it up a little bit, put it back together, put it in the old pickup, and we'll go from there. See you guys next time.